and today we're going to do a special boxing video unboxing Squishies 101. And there's going to be a bonus. So let's go to the special unicorn bag where there's always something to unbox. Now, we're going to have a little bit of music. And we're going to be unboxing the first squishy. Ta-da! This is the squishy that we're unboxing today. Why don't one of you comment down below a name for this little fellow? It's quite big. And by the way, from now on we're going to have a bonus of the day, which is a figure. La la. What about this little toe? It is Christmas when I got this little one. But she looks like a girl. There's the blush and a galaxy. And we'll unbox. By the way, I'm new to this. And the bonus of the day, Anna. She looks a little bit like Galaxy, so she's the figure of the day. She's got a rope, she's holding, and a sack. Anyway, that is that. Yeah, my little sister can draw her face. Anyway, that's the unboxing Squishies 101. See ya the next time we unbox from the special unicorn bag.